I'm Jane. And I'm Joy. Today we are going to show you now how to make a noodles that will taste great. Not cheap, but has all the nutritional value, even awesome for kids. For you, prepared and colleges there, watch this.
So for this recipe, you're going to need three things. A bowl, 2 eggs, and 2 noodles. You just mash the noodles and then you pour both of them into the bowl. You also add the seasoning that comes with the noodles, and then you add the 2 eggs, and then you stir it until it's mixed well. So this is actually the first time I have seen the process of how to actually cook stomping. Jane made this for me when I first arrived from America, when I went back to the Philippines. She made this for me, so that was just really sweet. What is that? Okay, so then you put coconut oil into the pan. Generally you have to heat the pan first, and then you pour in the oil and you let that heat up for a while too. That's so the stomping won't stick to the pan. That looks beautiful, Jane. Looks delicious. It is delicious. So that heart-shaped thing was actually given to me by Jane for Christmas. It was one of the gifts that she got for me. Isn't that sweet? Adara has many utilities for that heart-shaped kitchen utensil. One of the things that Adara uses it for is a camera. She pretends it's a camera and she's taking pictures with it. So we actually found that it's better to just get the things that we need in the kitchen, or stuff that we need to like repair things, such as like screwdriver, hammers, what did I say? Yeah, screwdrivers, hammers, or wrenches, because Adara would play with that a lot more than she would with toys. Look at that. Great job, Jane. Oh, she's gonna put ketchup on it. Right on the stomping. Look at that. Good job. Wow. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to to leave a thumbs up for Lady Jane. She did a great job with this video. Don't forget to share any of our contents. It is greatly appreciated. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!